Hi, and welcome to our December products update. This month we are addressing 3 common admin challenges around managing AI at scale, organizing content efficiently, and updating data in multiple presentations. So let's jump right in. Let's start with the AI labeling for icons and images. This feature helps you scale your visual library without scaling your workload, saving hours of manual tagging and categorization. Let me show you how AI labeling works for images and icons during the upload process and in asset settings. First, make sure AI is enabled on your account. Go to Account Settings, select the Security tab, and enable AI features. Then go to AI Settings and enable AI labeling. Now I will upload a few images relevant to our logistics demo account. After selecting your files, you will see the option to allow AI labeling. Make sure that this is enabled for the feature to work. Next, choose your visual label setting. You can use AI to generate visual labels, skip visual labels entirely, or use the file name. In this case, I will select Use AI to generate visual labels, then click Next and Save. You have the option to add shared image labels like categories, subcategories, and tags, but I'm going to skip this step and move to individual AI labeling. Here you can see the AI has generated a visual label, in this case delivery truck, and it has also recommended adding this image to existing categories, the general and road transport. Since I don't have any subcategories set up, it couldn't recommend any. The AI will only suggest existing categories and subcategories, it won't create new ones. However, it has created new tags like delivery truck, semi-truck, transportation, and more. I'll approve these suggestions and continue. For the next image, the AI has added a visual label, but it hasn't recommended any categories. You can still manually add it to a category by simply clicking on it. If you don't like any of the suggested tags, just click on them. You can also edit visual labels at any time. You can remove the existing label and type in a new one. When you are done reviewing all the labels, click Approve and your images are now in the library. This feature saves significant time when uploading multiple images or icons, while ensuring end users can still find everything they need through simple text search. For existing assets in your library, go to the Asset settings and click Suggest Labels in the top right corner. Just like during uploads, you will receive AI suggestions that you can approve, decline, or modify as needed. And that's it! AI labeling helps you scale your library while maintaining a well-organized, searchable library with less manual effort and time. Next, let's look at the tone of voice for the text-to-slide feature. Instead of your team having to edit every AI-generated slide to match your brand voice, you can set it up once and have all the content aligned with your company style from the first draft. Let me show you how to set it up. Let me show you how to set a tone of voice for the text-to-slide AI feature and navigate the new AI settings. First, you need to enable AI features on your company account. Go to the Manage view, click on Account, and then select the Security tab. Scroll down until you find Enable AI Features, and then click Enable and save your changes. Once enabled, a new AI section will appear under Settings. Here you can enable or disable individual AI features like AI-enabled search, text-to-slide, and AI labeling. You will notice some options are grayed out if they are not yet available. For the text-to-slide feature specifically, you can enable or disable the AI's ability to search external web sources when generating slides. You can also define the tone of voice to keep generated slides even more consistent and on-brand. Please note that the prompts you add here only apply if they don't conflict with the end user's prompt. For example, if you specify slides should be generated in English and the end user requests Danish in their prompt, the slide will be generated in Danish. Furthermore, these settings affect only the text content, not the visual design of the slides. Below the input field, you will find a few examples of different prompts you can use. In this case, I will add that the content should use clear and straightforward language with shorter statements over long explanations, and that the slide should be generated in Danish unless stated otherwise by the end user. When you're done, click Save. Now let's see it in action. In the end user view on the web version, I will click on Inspiration Slides where you can access the text-to-slide feature. I'll add a prompt asking for a slide about our services. Select the layout that best fits my needs and click Generate Slide. As you can see, the generated slide is in Danish and it isn't content heavy, exactly as we configured. And that's it. We hope this helps you manage AI in your library more easily and ensure brand compliance. Next, let's look at how you can build slides faster using the text-to-slide feature while ensuring that the generated content comes from your approved company materials with source links. Let me quickly show you how to generate slides using SlideHub's text-to-slide AI feature. Click the text-to-slide button in the add-in. Before adding your prompt, you can optimize the output by clicking Change. Here you will see 3 options: optimize for presenting to an audience, create detailed slides, or preserve as much of the original text as possible. For this example, I will select Optimize for Audience. Now I'll add my prompt. I want to generate a slide about the services Acme Logistics offers. Acme Logistics is just our fictional demo account that we use for demonstration purposes. So I just add the prompt, then click Find Layout. The platform automatically suggests the best matching layouts, but you can select any of the other options if you prefer. When you're ready, click Generate Slide. If you're using the text-to-slide feature, please remember to leave a rating as it really helps us to continue improving the tool. On the top of the generated slide, you will notice a red sticker. This appears because I referenced our company services and the AI automatically searched through all available slides in the library to ensure the content is relevant and accurate. These are the links to the source slides that the AI pulled information from, making it easy to verify accuracy. To view any of these source slides, simply copy the link into your browser and the slide will open. And that's it. We hope this improvement helps you save time while your library serves as your single source of truth, generating accurate, on-brand slides in seconds. Now, when multiple admin-managed placeholder values like employee numbers or dates need updating, instead of opening each placeholder settings individually, export all your placeholders to Excel, update multiple values at once and upload. Every slide using those placeholders instantly reflects the new values. With admin-managed data, you can ensure that recurring information in your slides always stays up to date without having to download and edit each slide individually. This could be employee numbers, dates, contact information, or any data that appears across multiple slides in your library. With the latest update, you can now manage all your admin-managed placeholders at scale using Excel sheets. To get started, go to the Automation, then select the Admin-Managed Data tab. Here, you will have an overview of all your admin-managed data. If you need help setting up the admin-managed data for the first time, please reach out to our customer success team or check out our September product update where we walk you through the setup. Now let me show you how you can upload multiple admin-managed data default values at the same time. Click the Excel button in the top right corner to download the spreadsheet with all your admin-managed data identifiers and their default values. You can use this template to change default values or add new identifiers to the platform. In this example, I will change the default values for both of my existing identifiers and add a new one for the number of employees in Denmark. Please note, if you change the name of an existing identifier in the sheet and re-upload it, the platform will treat it as a new identifier rather than updating the original one. Once you've made the changes, save the file and return to the platform. Click the Upload button next to the Excel button and select your file. If you've added new identifiers, you will first see the placeholder suggestions. To add them to the library, hover over the identifier and click Create. You can also modify the default value and add a description here if needed. When you're done, click Create. In the next view, you will see all the placeholders that have had changes to their default values. If you don't want to update a specific one, simply click on it before confirming. In this case, I want both updated, so I will click Confirm. And that's it. All my default values have been updated and I've added a new placeholder with ease. To see which slides contain a specific admin-managed data identifier, just click on Used In, for example, 2 slides. This helps you easily see which slides have been updated with the new value, and you can confirm that the slides have been updated with the correct data. Admin-managed data with Excel uploads helps you keep recurring information accurate across your entire library without manual slide-by-slide updates. Last, we have streamlined the edit interface to help you get started faster and focus on what matters most when you open an empty presentation. Let's take a look. When you first open SlideHub, you will see a simplified view with just the core shortcuts to get started quickly. As an admin, you will still have access to the Manager dropdown for quick access to managing the library and account settings. If you want more options, you can click Show All buttons to access all features based on your company settings, including icons, images, text snippets, and more. Otherwise, once you start inserting slides from your library, all the buttons appear automatically. This helps you and your team get up to speed faster and stay productive from day one.
Hey everyone, this is Larissa from the Customer Success team, and in today's video, I'm going to show you a super easy way for you to update multiple slides at the same time. I know updating slides sometimes can take forever, but I'll show you 2 simple ways today for you to do this a little faster. The first thing that you need to do is head to your library's backend and select all the slides that you want to update, and then click the update button at the top. From this view, you can update all with the same categories and subcategories, or you can also update one by one. So for example, if I select now the log slide content option and I click update all, this means that I'll be doing this for the 4 slides that I selected. So if I click here, the changes will be made and the 4 slides that I selected are now locked. If I want to do different changes for the 4 slides, but I want some of them to be part of one category and the other to be part of a different subcategory, for example, I can also do that by selecting all of them, clicking the update button, and instead of selecting update all, I can just click update one by one. So this will allow me to select different options for each of the slides that I previously selected. If this one wants, for example, for this one, I want to assign this to just the training category, I can remove the guidelines here and click update and next. For the second one, I want to remove the logged and also assign this to guidelines. So I click update and next. And this one, I want to have it available, so I'll remove the mark as a draft option, and the log slide content, I also don't want that one anymore. So I click update and next. And the last one, I'll keep it as it is. So I'll just click update and close. So now the changes will be made for the first slide that I selected, but all of the slides have different categories, subcategories, and different slide formats and options. So now you can do this all in one go. Your library stays organized. You don't have to worry about missing labels or taking like too long for doing this type of changes. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.
And that's our December product update. If you would like to see more, join us for a live webinar on January 15th at 2 p.m. or 9 p.m. Central European Time. We hope to see you there.